The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition was just made official, and it puts the existence of the Galaxy Note 20 to shame. I'm sure we can all agree that the Galaxy Note 20 is overpriced. It has a less capable 5G technology compared to the Ultra. It lacks a higher refresh rate display. On the back, it uses polycarbonate protection, which is a fancy word for plastic, and it comes with a starting price of $1,000, which is absurd for the spec it offers. But here comes the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, another Samsung 2020 flagship device that has a lot of the things that are absent on the Note 20, and it starts at a much cheaper price. There's a $300 price difference between these two devices, and the only thing the Note 20 has over the S20 Fan Edition is the S Pen, and it makes no sense to pay $300 just for the S Pen, unless of course you absolutely need that S Pen, and in that case I would say get the Note 20 Ultra. The S20 Fan Edition has a 120Hz refresh rate display, which is absent on the Note 20, and with the declining sales of the Note 20 in the US, it kind of feels like Samsung is shooting the Note 20 in the foot with the release of the S20 Fan Edition. Although I could be wrong because the Note series has its unique customers, but there's no doubt the S20 Fan Edition is a better bang for your buck than the Note 20. Also on the topic, the S20 Fan Edition is the successor to the S10 Lite, and when Samsung released the S10 Lite, they launched alongside it the Note 10 Lite, and some people are wondering if Samsung is also gonna release a Note 20 Fan Edition. Well, I can say with a level of certainty that there isn't gonna be a Note 20 Fan Edition, and that's because the S20 Fan Edition dropped some features from the S20 to arrive at its compelling price. But the Note 20 has already dropped too many features from the Note 20 Ultra for there to be another Note 20 with even less features. They could use last year's chipset like they did with the Note 10 Lite, but that would be a Note 20 Lite and not a Fan Edition. Anyway, let me know what you think about the S20 Fan Edition in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech related videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.